Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to tell you about one of an amazing product that can guaranteedly help you replace at least 3 big giant softwares. That is like Aweber, GetResponse and Twilio. You can easily send unlimited messages, emails and WhatsApp broadcasts that may be in audio as well as in text form. So eventually you are able to make your online business more stronger than ever in a very easy way. This product name is Zendly. Let me give you some more details about the powerful features about this product. First one, you are able to generate high converting messages with the help of artificial intelligence, no matter if you're skillful in copywriter or not. Secondly, you are able to send unlimited emails to your leads. Maybe if you do not have any leads, then this system can help you import the leads, and this can happen with just a single click. Third one, you can broadcast WhatsApp messages that can be unlimited in text form or maybe in audio form. In addition, there is no any monthly fee except for the payment of one-time front-end fee, that is $17, and even you can get more discount on it, that is around like $3. Here are some exclusive bonuses that you are going to get enjoy for free if you buy this product. So I am attaching the link down in the description box along with the link for the Zendly product. Go check it out, click on it and enjoy it. Now let us get into the demo video of this product where you will get a clear insight about all the options in detailed form. Here you go. So guys, I hope you like this software. I mean, how it is going to help you save from spending like thousands of dollars on multiple softwares. I hope you will give it a try, and you will be thinking second or third time on investing on different softwares like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, etc, etc. If you want to buy this product, click the link below in the description box down this video. I hope you like this video. If yes, then press the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in another video on the same channel. Till then, bye.